All right, you guys, another fun organizing video for you today. I am going to be showing you how I organize all of my zippers, all of my upholstery fabric, and all of my trim. So specifically, zippers and trim are one of those things where, yes, you can put that all in a bin or in a drawer or in a box or whatever, and it is technically organized because they're separated from everything else. But is it really organized if they're not separated from each other? I'm talking invisible zippers with invisible zippers, and bag zippers with bag zippers, and sports zippers with sports zippers, and each individual trim having its own home and place. I got a little psychotic with this area of my sewing storage closet, but it's because I got so tired of digging through the zipper drawer to find the zipper that I needed. So let me take you in there. Let me show you this little organizing system I have, and I'll show you how I use it and how everything's organized inside. So we are in the depths of the closet so that you guys can see this system here. Like I said, stackable drawers from the Container Store, and each one is labeled with a Cricut removable vinyl. So think like window cling. So if I ever decide to swap this out and reorganize this for any reason, I can easily peel these off and create a new label for the front of the bins. Now, each bin is also organized, sub-organized. So each of the trimmings are in a little craft container like this. They come in a set of 10, I think for $6. They're really, really cheap. They're relatively small, like you can't fit a ton, but you'd be surprised how much you can fit in there. And I have each one with different trims. So this one has all of my colorful fringe trim. This one was cording that you already saw. This one is an applique lace piece that I have. And so I got 20 of them. I have room to grow. You can see through here, pom-pom trim, lace trim. I have eyelet trim over here. So as I make stuff, as I collect trim, I like to buy that in New York City because they have a lot of really cool stuff. Bring it back home and I have a place to put it. The zippers are all contained. One of my zippers is missing. That's why it looks a little messy, but they're all contained in these little jugs. I got these from the Dollar Tree. So they're $1 a piece. And then each one is labeled on top with what kind of zipper is inside. So I have invisible, polyester, I have sports, metal, and bag zippers in here as well. And then unfortunately, zippers that are still in their little container paper wrapper won't fit in this jar, so they are living separately. And then we have all of my Cricut supplies. This needs a lot of help because I've just gotten a bunch of stuff for my Joy. So this is what it's like to be okay organized. You know what I mean? Like this is bomb organized. This is okay organized. This is all of my Home Dec fabric. You can't even see it. Hold on, let me see if I can get, there you go. All my Home Dec fabric is laid and cataloged so that I can quickly and easily see what it is that I have and pull it out and use it. I've been using up a ton of Home Dec fabric lately. I also have this whole bin. I think I need to buy another one of these, move this whole thing over so it fits, for my Home Dec, for my Home Dec trim. So it gets really hot back here in case you're wondering. So I have all of that in this container here. So that's how all of those bits and bobs are organized in my sewing closet. So, like I said, a little bit crazy overboard, but I promise you, if you organize within an organized system already, meaning if you organize the zippers in your zipper drawer, your life will be infinitely better. It is not enough just to throw all your zippers in one place. Organizing them within that like subcategory will make your life so much better. If I had more zippers, I might even organize them by color. Like that's how crazy it could get. So I'm kind of like in the middle with the crazy, but I promise you, you will never look back if you organize within the subcategory. Trust me. All the shopping information that you guys need is going to be in the description box. Here's how you access the description box if you've never seen it before. Tons of information in there for every single one of my videos. So make it a habit to check the description box always. But really think about organizing some of your notions this way, the ones where you have a lot of subcategorizing them is truly the way to go. And if I've accomplished nothing else in this entire organizing series, it will be that you guys organize within organize. But okay, so that's enough harping on that topic. Thank you all so much for watching. I will see you very soon. Bye.